When users struggle with your software, their experience is not optimal. And we know that many applications are intuitive and easy to use, but many are complex and need user guidance to business processes, integration, and information management. You may find your support staff overwhelmed and doing a lot of hand-holding, taking up time and financial resources. Now you're asking yourself, why don't they read the documentation? Well, it could be that it's difficult to read, the required information is not available, and what is available is not all that helpful. Maybe more is expected and probably required. So, what can you do to solve this? Well, let's think about it. Customer support costs you time and money, holding your user's hand. What will your users need to work effectively? Broad-based and relevant information should be available 24 hours a day, every day, allowing your users to help themselves. Remember though, that a user document is not a novel, but a reference document. So when your users want information, they want it immediately. Now, what benefit can you expect to gain from a different approach? For one, you'll save time and money spent on support activities enhancing the value of your software. Obviously, this results in improved profits and above all, the trust of your customer. To do this, let's look at what you can do to improve the user's experience. There are 6 basic ways you can go about it. We can optimize the navigation, simplify a complex application, maximize the content organization of the document, create micro-training assets, and use plain language. And then we integrate it all into a single framework. Firstly, let's look at the architecture of the online user documentation. Let's add the external elements to the architecture. And then tie it up in a nice neat package. The documentation framework is based on an integrated synthesis of learning and knowledge elements. Read through each of the next 4 slides at your own discretion. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have learned something.